I want to take a moment to show just how easy it is to call a pallet. Basically, the pallets are labeled 91 to 99, and we just type in G65 P7500, and then A, the pallet number. So let's call pallet number 92. Make sure to put a period. Enter, and we run this in MDI. It automatically tracks the pallet location, so it knows that this is pallet 91. It's going to go put that back, grab pallet 92, update the pallet locations, put the door down, and that's the entire process. Goes and grabs 92. Still need to lube that, but we release it.